Hello everybody, my name is Pietro and these are my presentation tips for you. Today's tip is about the crucial first impression, because you never get a second chance to make a good first impression. So welcome to tip number 2, make sure to deliver a good first impression. When you have to talk in front of people or a camera, there are quite a lot of things that you could possibly do wrong, which reduces your chances of making the best possible first impression. Therefore, true to the motto, the first impression counts, you should attach particular importance to it. On the one hand, to your look, to your appearance, to your attitude, and on the other hand, to your opening words. But first things first. Let's start with the appearance. Always try to be well groomed, neat, and dressed appropriately. For example, like this. Hello everybody! Not. I'm sure you know what I mean. Make yourselves up and dress up nicely. Remember, better be overdressed than underdressed. And also pay attention to an open posture and a radiant smile. The second important aspect for a good first impression is your opening words. Please try not just to greet or welcome the audience, try to surprise them with something that they wouldn't expect but has got a connection with the show or with the event. Let me give an example. Last week, I think it was Tuesday, I was zapping through various channels until I ended up watching the Terminator. With that one famous scene where the Terminator says, "I'll be back." Well, I know this scene has been used over and over again, but I think that it fits pretty darn well with our event here today. Because finally, we are back. And with this spirit, I officially welcome you all to our event. And so far and so on, you got the point. Another good tool to start your presentation with is a famous quote. For example, back in the days, even Socrates said, "Nothing that I know, I really know." Or wait, "I don't know what I know." Know nothing or don't know. No, wait. Do you know? No. Know nothing or go. Know nothing? No. During your preparation, look for quotes that match either the customer or the reason or the topic of the event. Another interesting way to start your presentation is with a number. Ideally, a really high or a really low one. Let me give you 2 examples. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a number that really impresses me. It's 1,843. 1,843 are the people who are currently connected with us and who are currently watching us and who I have the pleasure to welcome officially to our event. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a number that I honestly did not think could be possible. This number is 0. 0 stands for the overall delay of our deliveries since we have implemented our new AI-driven work organization. And with this great news, I officially welcome you all to our event. With these tips, you will see it's pretty easy to give a strong and positive first impression. And this was tip number 2. Make sure to deliver a good first impression. Let me know in the comments below what you think of it, and should you still prefer to hire a professional presenter? Well then, here is what I have to offer. We will address today's topics in a lot. Tendenze beschleunigen Entwicklungsprozesse. Vi ricordo i nostri hashtag per i vostri contributi tipologia completamente nuova e révolutionnaire. Cette année, nous avons un événement hybride. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.